Get asked a lot of questions about federal versus private student loans. To clear up some misconceptions around the topic, federal student loan is guaranteed by the federal government. Sometimes it can come from a private lender, but it is then backed up by the federal government. There are a lot of benefits that come with federal student loans that private student loans typically won't come with, which is income-driven repayment plans, certain types of forbearance. Obviously, COVID forbearance was a big one that private student lenders didn't offer, that the federal government did offer. There are a couple downsides to it. Also, is that the federal government, if you go into default on your loans, they can automatically garnish your wages. You don't need to find a judgment. It can just automatically start happening. A private student loan lender, you go into default with them, they have to first take you to court, prove that they own the debt, and then win that trial, and then they can take a judgment against you. Also, federal student loans can be a little bit lower in interest rate, whereas private student loans can be a bit higher. Private student loan side of things, typically you're going to have a more structured repayment plan, more typical of your regular loans that you might get, like a mortgage or a car loan. Private student loans are more based off of your credit, so whether or not you can get a private student loan is typically based off of credit. The one thing that they do share in common typically is they are bankruptcy remote, so you cannot bankrupt out of either one of those loans. Traditionally, there have been some exceptions. For more information about the difference between federal and private student loans, or just information about student loans in general, be sure to follow us here on the channel. Come on over to YRefi. Also, give us a call if you have private student loans and you're in distress about them and you possibly need some help. We have a lot of good people over here, professionals that can help you.